Make a great choice today with the 2016 Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.2-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, body color door handles. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, cargo net, compass. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.